to One Universe Tarot, my wonderful Leo. You are born to shine. What you like is always to be the center of attraction. You have so much to give. Your confidence is something that is so enduring. People who meet you always want to become like you. Okay, so that is what you are. You are fire on the dance floor, isn't it? So welcome to your reading here. And first I have to make few announcements. First of all, tomorrow is a full moon, so if you want a personal reading, it is available. It is there in the description box. Go and make use of the opportunity. You will get 40 minutes reading. Now in this reading itself, I will tell you so many things. Within 10 minutes it will be very clear, but be sure to not force the reading on yourself, because other readings may be your reading, maybe this is not your reading. Okay, watch for some 3.5 minutes. If it is not your reading, leave it. No, right? Simple. Now as soon as you enter this channel, what you have to be is happy. Okay, if you want to learn manifestation, if you want to learn law of attraction, if you want to learn how to make your boyfriend or girlfriend or your soulmate twin flame come to you, or if you want to make money. I love money. I want everybody to say that you love money also. Do not have the audacity to say such a beautiful God-made thing as something that is not good. Okay, don't do that. Every single particle that is existing, whether it is made by man or not, it is God made. Who made man? God made man. Okay, let's get started, guys. The first card you have over here is the 10 of Cups. This is automatically meaning partnership, automatically meaning marriage. It is a beautiful card. Rainbow, you can see in that. Okay, but let me tell you one thing, my readings are very raw. I'll tell everything as it is, nice and fine and deep and clean cut. Nothing is going to be hidden. Okay, so today also is like that only, but you can see very clearly lots of sadness in this reading, lot of heartbreak. Take a break from this, I'm telling you. Okay, that will solve everything. Now let's go deeper. So you went and apologized. Did you apologize? Or they are probably thinking about coming and offering an apology to you. Why? Because they are feeling very broken. They are feeling very lonely, broken. Nobody is there to talk. Nobody is taking care of them. Nobody cares whether they are not there or there. So they are like, what kind of life am I leading? You know, they are kind of feeling very wounded. And in that energy, they took a long time. I am definitely seeing a breakup and all that. You have not been hearing from this person for a very long time. And or else when you reached out for a marriage, when you said let us marry or something like that, they decided to walk away. They decided to keep quiet. They decided to be quiet, absolutely keep quiet and not say anything, because they are not able to see anything prosperous in the future. They are not able to see a way, a strategy to make things happen. I don't know why they are not feeling like that. I will take card on that and I'll tell you in just a small while. But now they are feeling that this is not possible, so why should I put my energy into it? That is what they are feeling, and that is really breaking their heart. But regardless of whether heartbroken or not, nobody cares. Okay, I think they are around people who are just not bothered. They just want their way or the highway. They don't bother about their daughter or son. Whatever they want doesn't matter. What they want, what the parents or relatives or friends want, that is the most supreme importance for them. They don't care about this person's love at all. Okay, I think that is kind of a rejection that they are feeling. That is also something. Or they are probably thinking that they are not worthy and they cannot take care of you, or they cannot handle relationship and family and all that. Too much of responsibility, and they feel that they are they are incomplete. And they don't see themselves becoming complete in the near future also. And because of that, they are telling you, no, it is not possible. They probably didn't even tell you. They just went silent mode on their cell phone. Okay. And why they are thinking like that? Because they really think lack of temperance, lack of balance. What is given is not what is taken. They are really feeling that deeply. Bottom of the deck energy, you can see they are feeling entrapped. They feel like, they are inside a prison. Their mind is one devil's workshop, 100%. I think they have a lot of time to kill also. No work and all properly happening. So a lot of time they keep on thinking all rotten stuff. Never because of thinking all rotten and garbage stuff, they're not able to think anything nice at all. Whenever they are seeing anything about this relationship, only negativity comes. So they are like, what is this? There is no light in this relationship. I cannot be the torch bearer because I don't even have torch. You understood? That is what they are thinking. I mean, they are seeing absolute darkness. They are not able to see any scope at all. I mean, you should name this person Mrs. or Miss or Mr. Pessimism. That is what they are. So, if they have love or don't have love, don't bother about that, because it's their last seat in their car. It doesn't matter. Okay, because all the other things are mattering so much for them. Other things matter so much for them. Okay. But they're coming with an apology, or you're going with an apology, and they're thinking about how wonderful you are. They're like, one thing is there. They are adoring you so much. They're like so smitten by you. They are in awe. They are like, wow, what a beautiful, amazing, lovely, attractive guy, handsome, beautiful, whatever girl. That is what they think about you. But regardless of that, they can't act or do anything. Oh, okay, things are looking a little nice now. See, same, the 5 of Cups is clarified by the 4 of Cups. First of all, remember, did you go and subscribe? First, if you forgot to subscribe, first go and subscribe, okay? And press the bell notification also, because then only you will get to know that I'm uploading reading and all that, okay? I'm telling you, don't want to miss my readings. Anyway, let us continue. Now, you may be dealing with the Libra. You may be dealing with Sagittarius. That's all. Okay, only 2 major arcana we have here. Very loose relationship. Okay, a lot of turbulence. Everything is shaky. The 5 of Cups is clarified by the 4 of Cups. See, what is this? A lot of emotion, man. Definitely. Your person has a lot of emotion towards you, no doubt about that. But they are thinking that, first of all, they are thinking, I told you, Mr. or Mrs. Pessimism. Other thing, they think that they lost the opportunity. They are feeling past, there was a chance. But now the chance is gone. That is what they are thinking. And they are very, 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 very heartbroken, because they are thinking reconciliation is not possible. If they try only, they can know, but they are going to try. Overall energy, you have the 6 of Swords. I don't know whether they are going to try, or they are waiting for somebody to come and somehow make the problem go away. Because they are wanting to come. They are really wanting to come. They are trying to somehow change the situation as far as their thoughts are concerned, which is filled with agony. And they want to go somewhere. They want to travel across their mind to another place in their mind which feels better. That is what they are doing. Okay. Such a clear reading. This is all that is there over here. Okay, so I'm stopping the reading here. If you want a personal reading, you can reach out. You may have this question in your head, what am I supposed to do? The advice, no, in this kind of situation, this person is not doing anything, not taking action, waiting for somebody else, not taking one step also, but there is a lot of emotion. They are super broken. Correct. So, you may want to know what to do. In that case, you can book a private reading, especially because tomorrow is full moon. Everything is there in the description box. You can reach out to me. Also, thank you for all the donation. I absolutely love donation and all. That is good karma point. It will give you great karma points and all for you, and happiness for me, because I will go shopping. I'll get coffee, I'll get shopping something and all, and I'll call your name out also later one day. Okay? Thank you so much. Don't forget to go without liking and commenting and sharing and pressing subscribe and also pressing the bell notification. Thank you so much. Bye.